Hello everyone! In today's video, we will see how to easily add a calendar to our Notion dashboard. This is my dashboard showing me my to-do list and reminders about the upcoming and overdue tasks. I have added a quotes widget, a clock widget, a weather widget, and also this calendar widget here. If you are interested to use these widgets in your dashboard, you can check out the links to my tutorials in my description below. To add in a calendar to your dashboard, go to indify.co and log in, or create an account if you don't have one. Under Explore Widgets, click to create a calendar widget. As this widget makes use of Google Calendar, you will have to log into your Google account first. Then select your default view. Adjust other settings if you like. I kept mine as default for all. Once you're ready, click on this copy icon to copy the widget link. Back in Notion, paste the link and select Embed when the Paste as option appears. Then resize it and drag it to where you want it to be. You can click here to toggle between month, week, day, and agenda. To see what event you have, just click on the date like so. And that's it! Quick and easy. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Notion tips so that this video can be pushed to the right community who might find it useful. And leave a comment if you try this out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.